Taste the flavor of Indian-style chicken curry with Murgh curry. Ingredients: 2 pounds skinless, boneless chicken breast halves, 2 teaspoons salt, a half cup cooking oil, 1½ cups chopped onion, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1½ teaspoons minced fresh ginger root, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon water, 1 15-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon salt, a half cup water, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Step 1. Sprinkle the chicken breasts with 2 teaspoons salt. Heat oil in a large skillet over high heat. Partially cook the chicken in the hot oil in batches until completely browned on all sides. Transfer browned chicken breasts to a plate and set aside. Step 2. Reduce the heat to medium and add onion, garlic, and ginger to the oil remaining in the skillet. Cook and stir until onion turns soft and translucent, 5 to 8 minutes. Stir curry powder, cumin, turmeric, coriander, cayenne, and 1 tablespoon of water into the onion mixture. Allow to heat together for about 1 minute while stirring. Add tomatoes, yogurt, 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, and 1 teaspoon salt to the mixture. Stir to combine. Step 3. Return chicken breast to the skillet along with any juices on the plate. Pour in a half cup water and bring to a boil, turning the chicken to coat with the sauce. Sprinkle garam masala and 1 tablespoon cilantro over the chicken. Step 4. Cover the skillet and simmer until chicken breasts are no longer pink in the center and the juices run clear, about 20 minutes. An instant read thermometer inserted into the center should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Drizzle with lemon juice to serve.